What's going on YouTube? This is me, and today we're gonna be looking for our new real life hacking scenario. So I think we can call it this week real life book bounty scenario or something like that. I don't know, but I think it will be great. So it's because we are gonna be talking here about to be XSS, and then for sure it will be to be SQLinjection to do. Generally the backhunter, or what do you want to be say, they have no idea what they're doing with XSS. So I think it's XSS really important. So if you gotta be here XSS, it's yeah, it's definitely depends on what kind of is XSS. So is it what type of you can say it will be maybe a self XSS or reflected. You can gotta manage with this, but if there's something stored XSS, I think it will be important for us because we can doing with this is we can steal a page, and we can steal cookie, or we can steal the forbidden access, or we have no ideas as admin dashboard, but we can grab it this to be maybe it's JavaScript file or dashboard directly with XSS. So I think it's really important. So in this video we are gonna be deeping XSS, because yeah, there you can find some XSS to be JavaScript file to be uploading, but it will be really different because we're gonna be using here different things, we will be using here creating some JavaScript file by my own, and it will be great, I think. So let's do it. So for this video I decided to be choosing the Mailroom on the Hack the Box. Is a Mailroom has a contact us form, and it will be here. Where was it? Contact us is here. To that I think we can use a get cross-site scripting agents, and as an admin user here, then we will be using here XSS to exploit to NoSQL I will told you before, and the vulnerability in the private side. So maybe we can do is first thing to use as password and exploiting to something to us. Is the scenario is something like that. We will be exploiting to continue running the site and find more credential maybe, and doing for pivoting if we want to be do. So let's check it out before what we can do for that after the first thing, and then what we can do here on the contact us, and maybe something here recon. Because it's reconnecting is always important, so we need to be this. So yeah, let's check it out. Let's start here. So we got here to be not needed to be a map scam, because they are just an open here to 180. Then I think we can go here and using here ffuf. Generally using ffuf is this command I decided to be you can use it for, and it's really fast, I think. So you need to be just added here mailroom.htp, and then you will see is which the other subdomain is open here. So you will be checking for this, and then you will be got another subdomain as always. So for example, it will say there's too many here. The size. The status code is 200, but it will be cool here. Maybe it's 200 to redirect is the cool things, and I think the correct things here. So we need to be decided here to be distract here the size. So how we can do it actually, and we're using same command and -fc, not -fc. It will be distract the status code, but we want to be doing here size. So let's give it here the size, and then you will be checking here the which subdomain is open here is actually. Then you will be seeing here as git is open for us. But if you're gonna be actually doing here the -fc 200, and then you will be not seeing this. So let's check it out of here. All right, so let me go for etc house one more time, and go here and mailroom and git dot and mailroom .htp. I think we can be added this. Then we can go to the site, and let's see what's going on here. So http and then git and mailroom.htp. So I think we can see here something different. It's just Gitea as always. So let's go for explore. Now there's no need to be settings, so there's already staff room, and you will be seeing like that. Then we can checking for example, authentication.php. So I think it will be important. So let's check for dashboard.php, inspect.php. So I think they could be are important things to here. Let's check it for. Right here on the index.php, we are seeing here they are actually just looking, say we can to be accesses here. It's not too much important, I think, but should we grab it here as a cool things? So let's check it for inspect.php2, and so there we just know that they're working on where Mailroom is over there, so that will be important maybe. So let's check it for so what it says on authentication.php. I think they are just saying as here they are using here Mongo database, but it will be important things to here which they have as, for example, as the user they want to be creating here. So they will use it here something different. I think it will be important. So let's check it for maybe we can grab here something. So it's because your SQLinjection just maybe training for me is NoSQL, but let's check for not right now, I think. So they have Gitea here on the email and two-factor and token, and clicked on this authenticate, and they are giving us here new subdomain, I think. So let's check it out, and let me copy that and then grab it here on my etc host file. So let me nano and etc host one more time, because I just want to be added here, and we got it here new site and with this, right? So let me try to go here, open link and new tab, and it says are forbidden. So let's check it for with what it says with authentication.php. So let's looking for authentication.php. It's already saying us here authentication.php. So I think it will say us this could be, or could be as to be target to be accessed here, because we got here contact us, and when we are trying to be doing here some XSS, then we can do here remote poke, and then to be it's certainly is possible that user or the AI could be here. I have no idea. So it's need to be clicking here and weaving it through a different form, and what is seems like a good time to be explore and to be here XSS. So let's checking for, as always, so they are actually eating for as a test. Okay, let me say test.test.com. Then we need to be added here to be basic things. So let's checking for as a XSS, and so we're generally looking for. So let me doing like that for you, and then we need to be the script, and let's do it one more time, and then other. So do other one. Doesn't matter what you're gonna be grieving here in the quotation mark. Let's do it like that. Let's say scripted too. So message was sent successfully and will be reviewed shortly. So click here to be reviewed, and then yeah, it says around there's could be here XSS is potentially. So I just wonder if they have here to be stored XSS. So I think it's really important to be do it. So how we can actually know about it? So you just have to be go on your system and just say giving here nano test.javascript file, but it doesn't matter what it's giving. So it could be here empty, but it's just we need to be sure is over here. So let's start here Python listener on the AD port. So let me stop it. Down listener. So let's go here. All right. So we need to be doing here like again we can say test.test.com, and the test is over here. So let's checking for is here hello, and then doing here something different for the message, and give it here or the payload. It could be for us to be understanding here. So firstly, so we need to be giving here the source, and we need to be giving here the sources over here. So definitely this source has to be equal or to be IP addresses with test.javascript file. Or let me give my IP addresses. So we are listing on 80 port, so there is no need to be added any port here. So let's go here, test.javascript file. That just need to be added here as the last thing. Then we will be here the secret message. So let's checking for the script again and go for submit, and my listener is over here. Let's submit and click here. So it's need to be grab here something, and we grab here test.javascript file, and then the git ahead, and to be something different here with one. The grabbing for us here test.javascript is successfully. So it will be says, I think there is XSS here is over there. So right now we can use XSS over here and do it successfully. So we are just know about it here. Our target will be here because we need to be grab this dashboard and let's see what's going on here, or can be accessed here or something like that. So we need to be know about it. So let's checking for XSS on the hack tricks. So as always, I told you before, you can try coding yourself with JavaScript, so it doesn't matter. But you need to be learning something about XSS, is how does it work and how does it go, and then what kind of method generally using for to be sending on the test JavaScript file. So anything you give, or you give script JavaScript and anything like that. So it doesn't matter. You just need to be know about it. So let's checking for what kind of actually JavaScript file they are using here, right? So we're gonna be doing here really cool things, and with this JavaScript file, and then send it and grabbing something different, as maybe you know, we can to be enumerated from here to be we can write a series of different JavaScript files to be load over this. But we're gonna be changing to be name of keep a history what I tried. So then I'm gonna burn repeater and change name of requested files and conduct that PHP or anything. So you can do, and we can just be send it for this. You know, is it how actually we are doing this? So I using here general style page content, and you will be seeing is over here. Then you will be checking for here. So you can use this for this. So it doesn't matter if you want to be use it or if you don't want to be use it. But this is really cool. I think you can use it for this for your JavaScript file to be here. So we just need to be go here on the sublime test.javascript file. Is it not really giving like that? When we are grabbing here, I have no idea why when we are doing. Alright, so let's say clear and the sublime test.javascript file and give it to this. It's over here. We just need to be doing with this something. Or actually you can doing something with this JavaScript. You just need to be know on what does it means here to be war, and then the way how can they be doing here as it's just mean with war. It could be your idea. So you can send the request to be requesting here. Then you can grab in here something different. I think so. This is just my opinion. You can do it like that. So for example, let's do it with to be coding ourselves, and then it will be great for us. So that we can improve our skills of JavaScript file. Then we can do it really fast here. So I just want to be show you this. It's because we are coding like that. So let's check for here. We can give it here the first of all. It's needed to be here URL because it's need to be click on this, and then it will be creating for us to be new to be cited, right? So let's say let's say you can using for to be where URL and the location and the href. So we're generally using for example it's the simple to be site is over here. So but is it really important things to here? I swear to God, it will be requesting here because we are gonna be it's actually creating here XML and HTTP and request is over here. So it will be great for us. Great. So then right now we need to be sending or requesting because we need to be open here with the requesting is over there, right? So for example, you will stand it with the requesting open. So which method actually which kind of the here is a post method or the get method. So it's definitely we need to be using here get method first, and then let's try just give you here your IP addresses. So let's check for 1010 and 1610 again. So we are sitting on 80 port, so there's no meaning to giving here the port. So just giving here something like you can see the response for us because we are grabbing here the response for sure, right? So we just need to be give this. send, and then you can send it. And how we can send it, and just say here's a requesting and send. So let's actually doing here Python listener one more time, and then let's see what's going on here. So but we need to be using here same command here. So let me actually be doing this here. So let's go to here and nope, and give it here and add it here secret. Then we need to be send at this, and what's going on here. So let's see. I think we can call it here refresh this site, and then let's checking for it here. I think it will be not cool for us maybe. So let's checking for it, test.com and test, and just give it here, and let's see what's going on here. So and click here to view it, and then yeah, is it sending test.javascript successfully, but there is no we are grabbing here. So yeah, let's do it here. So for example, there he is using here the fetch, the one to be adding here attacker IP addresses, then using here a B2R. So it will be important for us. Maybe we need to be use it for also. So that could be important for XSS the payload here. So I think we can go here, and then we need to be just added here something. So let's say we need to be add what they added here B2R, but we need to be added here on the URL, just for URL here. Is it could be important. So now what after this need to be equal here with true. So let's add it here to be true. So it's for sure we need to be added this and after this one. So let me actually doing something again, and then I'm listening in the Python listeners over here, and then let's see what's going on right now on the side. So okay, so let me go here, contact one more time, and test and test.com test, and giving my messages over here. So let's click here, and then let's see what's going on here. Yeah, that's successfully we are grabbing here something. So is it right now we just need to be using for on echo and the base 64. So give it here like that, and then yeah, we need to be just using here base 64 the cut, right? So base 64 -d. So is it invalid input here? So they give it here an invalid input. So maybe it's just need to be added this one. Yeah, we are grabbing here as a new things in Kairos and the some HTML file. So is it called here, you know? So yeah, it's like that. So we are grabbing it successfully here to be this you know, we can call it this the URL to from that. So then I think it means we can grab it here also this file, right? So just need to be just grab this dashboard or folder what you want to do. So we want to site, so we can call it here with site. So let's try to be grab it. Alright, so we need to be just go here, and one more time we need to be doing something differently here. So right now I think we can changing something with yeah, it could be important things and we need to be, you know, it's also show with JavaScript I load the can somebody request to me, and so can I load the star review panel mailroom.htp? Yeah, let's try it. So we can actually learning is it successful or not without this. So for sure we need to be grabbing here, and the rack and open file is here again. So let's say rack and open, so we need to be doing like that, like so everything is same here I think, but we just need to be changing something. So let me actually copy here and I just give it here. So it will be working on the get is the for sure. Then we need to be running here. We need to be trying to be grabbing here, right? So just changed it with this because I want to be grabbing it. So but there is no need to be adding here B2 URL because we are not going to be sending it. So you can just call it here. It's because we can call it here on the false. So on the rec sound will be definitely same here, right? That will be important I think. That for sure we are not needed to be open here any URL, but we just need to be added here as over here as a for sure. But it's not just for to be, it could be here a request, but we cannot call it here request because we are calling here the requesting here. So we need to be changing it. So xfill and the dot rack is like could be like that. So we need to be call this as xfill dot rack. It's because of them. So you know we are need to be changing here new things. and it could be here. It's definitely new XML HTTP requesting. So let me change it with them, and it for sure is you need to be change same things with them, and so it will be grabbing for this file, and then it will be sending with the requesting, and we can call it here the force because they don't need to be open this side, but it will be checking for this with this side, and it will be giving us here this side. But we need to be just changing here this the word name. It's because it's not, it could be here the same, right? So let me use controller save and then call it here one more time. So as a Python listener, as like that. So let's checking for it here, and then let me go one more time as contact, and then just grab it. His let's checking for it as here. Not just for, I think we can call it here test.test.com. Just give it here in the submit. I think it will begin nothing here, but if I'm going to be clicky here, so is it sending for us successfully, but we are not grabbing here anything, so it means we are doing here something wrong. So we need to be just changing it, so it doesn't matter. So we can do as we cannot do. Let me checking for is it could be here requesting a new XML HTTP requesting, so it's need to be a work. So there is nothing requesting sending here, and open this file, and it's need to be for, I don't know why it's not work here right now. XFIL requesting, so we are sending is also, it could be on the XML HTTP requested for sure. Maybe we need to be changing here XFIL requesting get, and then it will be grabbing with this. So it's not working, so we are grabbing here. We are doing something wrong, so let's change it. Let's looking for is it could be is about, so we are not actually sending here the URL. So we need to be just giving here response tags here. So we need to be changed. It's because not working. We are not sending here any URL. We are sending here requesting. It will be giving us a response tags here. So let's say a response tags. Great. So let's checking for if it's gonna be work right now. And then I think we can do is something different maybe. So we can changing our payload maybe. So I have no idea. I'm just gonna be try here. So let's looking for test.test.com test, and I just give it here. So let me submit. And then just click here. So it needed to be work right now. Let me checking for maybe we are just need to be waiting. Maybe it's because let's looking for can we grab it here or something, or we are doing here something wrong. Actually I'm looking for, but we are not doing something wrong. So it's sending here tool method, so it's look like we are doing here something wrong, but let's checking for what we can do here. Is it equal or IP address? Yes, there is nothing wrong. Yeah, we are sending here requesting with XML HTTP request, so there is nothing wrong. So requesting will be open here, right? Now with the get methods, maybe we need to be changing here requesting method here. We are trying to be open this file, and we are trying to be stealing this file actually. So we give here the false, because not need to be do it. So and requesting send is one more time, and the war XFIL requesting and new XML HTTP requesting as like that same thing. So XFIL requesting and open here. So let's checking for no, there is no. All right, so that's great. And then open here. It will be open as what we send is actually as like that. So after that, I think it's need to be giving us here this file. So I don't know why it's not doing here. So maybe we are doing here something wrong. So it means we need to be changing our payload maybe. So let's looking for still page content with this. Maybe it's gonna be worky here. So let's just changing everything is here, and XHR the response tags. So war URL this need to be equal this, I think. So let me control copy here and just grab it here and the mailroom.htp and just giving like that. So maybe it's gonna be work. So just giving my IP addresses. This look like need to be work. So let's try. I just want to be giving the JavaScript codes. Maybe I did here something wrong here. All right, so just give it here, click here. Now is not fun. So because maybe we can need to be added here something different. I don't know, but it could be here. Maybe we are doing something more, but I don't think so. So let me checking why the first command here. I think it will be working here. I don't know why it's not working. So if I'm gonna be honest with you, we are not doing here something. Is it could be equal here b to a rec response? Yes, it's need to be equal here. So let's change them with a different things maybe we can do. I have no idea. So I'll be actually sure here there's yeah, so maybe we can grab here cookie, maybe like, does it need to be, could be here cookie things, I imagine. So let's checking for, what about if I'm gonna send it one more time, and maybe something wrong on this side. Yep, let me sum it, send it here. It's just giving here the test of JavaScript successfully, but not sending anything. So I don't know, but maybe yeah, I think we are not doing something wrong, but we can change your payload. It doesn't matter, Yeah, we can grab in here something, and I think so. Let's checking for with them. So let me call it here. So all right. So I think I can do here something different. So let's call them rec1. Maybe as a button here, I have no idea. So let me add it. It's not needed, but let's add it here. Let's add it for all one. So let's add it all one here. Let's add it all one, right? So it doesn't matter, so it's need to be changed here rec1 to, and so let me control save. Maybe as a because this. So let's change it to false also. Okay. So let me listener starting here, and I go for a site, and let me contact, go for here. Okay, let me give it here, submit, click it here. Yep, then great. So we are grabbed this site with successfully, but I think it's really really long, so I think we can change it with Cyberchef. Cyberchef will be great here, I think. So let's checking for what it says here. So what kind of HTML file is it? So yeah, I think JavaScript, not beautiful, but online viewer or something like that. I think there was the JavaScript not beautiful. JavaScript viewer maybe, so I don't remember right now, but let me copy this and let's looking for what kind of JavaScript file is it. I don't want to be actually, no, I don't know. All right, there was a something, nope, baby. Maybe it's front end. I don't know. This could be something like that. Nope. So let me looking for, yeah, this could be here. Run a view. Let's looking for what kind of website is here working. we can grab here maybe something different, but let's look like no PD, but I just want to be looking for. So we are seeing here login method, and it says we are redirect here authentication.php, and the login.php script is over here, and I think we are just now they are working for here. Yeah, as it could be here the panel for login page. So that could be here. I really wonder what was it, so let me check in for. As it could be compiler. Yep. Not coding, but we can call it here. Alright, so let me give it here. Is it gonna be giving her console? What the fuck, bro? Oh, is it not? Oh, is it because PHP? Yeah. Does it look like HTML Weaver, maybe HTML Weaver line? As it could be this. Yeah. Yep. Alright, so I found it here. So that was actually giving us a here login page, and it shows here email and the password we need to be know about it here. So they're using here post method. I think we got because here we need to be looking for authentication.php. Yep, for sure. So let's checking for what kind of SQLinjection is over here. So I was told you before, I feel here there's injectable, and is it called me here NoSQL So this is NoSQL. Swear to God, it's gonna be work. Swear to God. All right, NoSQL here. I think we need to be do. NoSQL is really basic. I think we can do this. Yeah, I was told you, right? We need to be just using here the, for example, how we can actually want to be showy. It could be like that, right? So let's do it on our payload. I think we can we just need to be just sending our SQLinjection payload also, then just gonna be login here. So let me call it here. I think so. As you know, is it gonna be redirect as here authentication.php, and where was it? So let's looking for as it could be somewhere. Yep, authentication.php. It's gonna be so this one send a post request to login.php script, so it's gonna be sending us authentication.php. So let's say authentication.php. I think we're gonna be open the requests, and then one more time it's over here, so for sure. So there is nothing to be need to be changing here, but we need to be added something is over there, is for sure. So if we want to be login here, so we need to be adding here requesting header that need to be added here. So let's call it here requesting one again, and set and the request and header. So as you know, so as it look like here, you can imagine like on the burp suites, and how is it gonna be work. So it need to be equal here content type. So we need to be added here content type here. So you know, it just need to be changing here. So it could be your for sure application, and then www for form and URL encode here. So need to be just added this for we are sending here the request header. So you know the request header at the burp suite, and you will be seeing content type. The content type will be equal here application, and X for and the B URL encoded is a for sure. So if I'm gonna be sending here something, so it will be like that. So we are sending right now is different things, not just empty thing. So we need to be added here email, so as like that, and then as you know, I'm just gonna be giving this one and giving here the $ and dash -ne. So this is how about actually using NoSQL and you will looking for here. So yeah, the NoSQL is looking like that. But if you want to be giving in the warm request, so you can grab here 2 more things about NoSQL. And then we need to be added here. It's also the something is to be. Let's me add it here. Giving some email, so it doesn't matter. So it's gonna be giving us a few for to be SQLinjection for sure. And just giving here add, and I need to be equal here password, and then the same parentheses over here, and that same value. It's not gonna be changing. So giving here some password, so it doesn't matter for you. So I think there's right now gonna be work. We are just need to be added here to be requesting sending on this, just sending here authentication.php. So let me Python 3 dash m the same thing. So we are doing here, and then again we need to be go here and contact, and then add here test.com test, and giving this or test.javascript file as like that. So let me just click here, and then let's see what's going on. So we are successfully grabbing here. Let's look like cookie, but let's see what it tells for us. Is it gonna be tell us something maybe? No, maybe base 64-D. So is it says success is false message, email and password is required. So it's not G21. Yeah, it's not actually successfully we are doing here. So that means I think we can use it here brute force attack to be login page here. Then we can sending or requesting one more time. Then we can grab it here to be username and the password maybe. So let's checking for what is our username and what is our the password is it for sure. So let's checking for is there somewhere to be to email addresses maybe. For example is staff room. Is it called a native? Is there somewhere email addresses, the services, and about I think we can call nope. No over here, no over here. Maybe on the we can find it here. So let's looking for Mailroom. Yep, but it's need to be HTTP I think. Alright, so there is now also, so where we can find it here, it says our truth done, so is it like that? So, but it doesn't matter, then I think we can grab it here with the be truth down and then just change it here. So right now we need to be change something, so it could be equal here or password. So we need to be giving here or password value. So then we just give it here the password really is the first of all on JavaScript file. So let's call it before isn't to be definitely equal to be here. It's nothing, so it could be here. So after that we need to be giving here all characteristics is over here. So all characteristics and just add it like that, and then we can add it here less. Doesn't matter right now. Then we need to be added here something different like how we can find it and how we can actually send it on or to be find it here. Yeah, is it need to be doing here something the fastest actually. So let's say the for and the var and the I need to be equal here 0 to for starting. So when I to be characters length will be equal to here the 1. Right now we need to be change it characters and the length. So if I'm gonna be says on this to be JavaScript, I add to be need to be added this. So then after that we can add it here. So grabbing these things from here, right? So as of right now, it's gonna be sending here requesting in the XML HTTP request, and then just is for grabbing here authentication.php, and is gonna be try to be to login page here, but there is no needed to be here any no SQLinjection. It was to be a wrong way, so we need to be just added here Tristan at mailroom.htp. It's equal or username. So the password, I think this need to be changed here, because we're gonna be changing here the password. As in, not need to be giving -ne, but we need to be added here regex, because we're going to be using here no SQLinjection. There is no need to be so we can grabbing with the password no SQLinjection step by step. So it will be for example, brute force attack the first line and the first character, then to be jumping here second character here. So this is really cool. Swear God. Yeah, it could be like that here. I don't know how can I doing for this. So we need to be just giving here the to be email first. So let's give it here for email. Then I think let's see what we can do. So I think we can add it here this one, I think, first, then and the password, and then add this characters, and then we need to be just add it here like that. So then we can add it here, do one more time to this, then it will be a brute force attack for us to here as if successfully. So is it for to be brute force attack the password, not for all, to be actually brute force attack the password characters here. So let's checking for what we can do right now. So there is no need to be to this. So let me deleting here, and we need to be added here something different to the here. So let's looking for to be sending here response text and length, and then we can for the grab here the password for sure. So let's give it here if as always, and then rack1 and then response text that we need to add it, and the length when it's actually is it equal to for example, you can say everything, but I decide to be saying these things, so it doesn't matter. So right now it's need to be added here password and the characters and the from I, because we are calling here characters from I is over there, right? Then need to be go here for requesting to, and this requesting to need to be doing a new XML HTTP request, and as we did before here, so need to be added here as also. So let me add it here successfully. Yep, and then it's need to be changing here requesting and open it, and then we'll be to be grabbing here the password. So let's say rack 2 open, and need to be added here get method is over here, and HTTP giving your IP addresses. It's because we are trying to be grabbing here on our terminal, and then what do you want to be called? I want to be calling here pass as actually, right? So and then password, and then true could be here. This could be here. We called it true, I think. Then we need to be just send it requesting to and send, and with this command, I think, and then it will be to be violating to be I equal to 0 is over here. So this is really cool. Great. So let's call them requesting 3, I think, right now. So when it's gonna be done, so it's need to be here say done, and give it here the password. So let's say giving here password, and it could be here to be the true for sending right now like that. So rack 3 giving here rack 3 2. Let's say we need to be giving here to be characters, so maybe need to be Python coding for to be out for everything. So let me ask it how we can do it. Yeah, we need to be just all characters list. Oh, is it could be here maybe? No, it's giving our special characters, I think. Let's looking for, can we find yep, it's need to be equal them. Let's try to add it here. No way. As it could be, they have to be giving me on the one line. I mean, yeah. Let's say echo okay, let me say echo and then from dash n. So is it could be like that? I have no idea. So so how we can do it? Python. So that's cool. Python import strings. So it says no module name 6 strings here. For I in string printable print I. What the fuck, bro? Okay. So is it Sublime chars.python import string printable. So is it look like for I in string printable print. So let's say Python. So yeah. Need to be added here, like could be like that. I mean, so is it could be like that maybe? Let's looking for add a ChatGPT. I don't remember right now how I can do it. How can I print them in one line? No, fuck it. So can we call locate chars.txt maybe? Bad chars, no. Special chars is no. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yep. nano chars.shell. There is no. So let's call them the user maybe. So what about this one? Printable SCI. Locate. Nope. So looking for them. Why we're not giving them the for the one line? So I think we can right now is remove them. Yeah. Oh, we are calling here a line. Yeah. So, let's call. Where was it? Yep. I think we need to be calling here ABCD first. Then I think we can call it here. The first could be equal here numbers. Then just call it here the capital one. I imagine. So what it actually also, so let's add it here, this one. So it could be important because it's just on this password. So let me control save it and just send it here. So yeah, as already using here. So let's looking for if it's gonna be work or we need to be here something change. So then I think we can grab them all because we are successful doing everything. Just need to be here from the password. So let's say test test.com test and give it here, and let me click. Actually, it look like not beta. Now, does it not look like beta here? We are grab it here. The first, yeah. So, are we doing here maybe something wrong? Okay, so we are just grab it them and just give it here, and the false will be equal here. They're not wrong. So to restart mailroom HTTP. After that, we need to be giving here the password in the regex. Then give it here. Yeah. Is it something wrong? I think it's over here right now. So let's say what's wrong. Is there something wrong? So let me just give it down here, right? Okay, give it them here also, and give it here password, and then characters in the I. Yeah, give it here maybe, and after that we need to be remove it with this pass and done here. So let me sending one more time, and then let's see what's going on here. Test, give it here, submit, click here. Now I think does it not look like cool? Yeah, I can't say I like it. I need to be here, change something right now. Alright, so we are giving here number and so we just need to be maybe remove it. So then after that we are giving here in the characters I. So does it need to be here for sure, and then character is length when it's not larger than, we need to be added here on the I. So as a for sure it's not to be here, and so yeah, it's need to be equal here. The post is for sure. I think this is gonna be all. We found a second wrong things, and content type could be equal here. We all encoded, and that is correct too. Then requesting sending here email asterisk on mailroom HTTP, and giving here the password into regex. Yeah, there is nothing look like wrong maybe. So let's looking for yeah, as they are look like cool. So let's checking for okay, as it could be my last try. So let's checking for test.test.com, test and test. I'll say, let me say submit it. Click here. No, I have no idea why it does not look like a cool. Let's checking for what OXDF doing here. OXDF Mailroom. So let me call it here. So maybe we can use their damn Scotty here. So I think we will use the same thing, but I have no idea what is wrong here. I didn't use it before, but let's use it before right now. Yeah, these are really different, but I don't know where is my wrong. I really wonder. Let's looking for 10 out of 10 is pass could be here. So let's send it one more time. Contact here. Okay, let me submit, and then we click here. Yeah, is it work? Why isn't mine is not work? I don't know. Everything is look like the same, but that's okay. So as a funnest password here successfully. So we are grabbing here to be HTTP like it was like a stuff, right? Stuff review like that. I don't remember. Alright, so is it could be like that, and we are grabbing them, and we are using here SQLinjection, and then grabbing here the password also. So there were, I think, really cool things. It's more than a bug bounty, I think. So thank you for watching this video.